What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another great episode with refrigerators. So we're gonna shoot 5 mini refrigerators, and I filled them up with soda. The top area is filled with soda. The bottom area it's empty. So I'm gonna shoot the top to see what happens with soda in it, and also shoot it with the empty side. I want to see if we'll reach all the way to the end with an AK47 7.62 by 39. So I'm gonna mark it right over here. This is our empty area. This is where the soda is, and this is where the compressor is. Okay, I'm gonna try to avoid this area, not hit the compressor. So we're gonna focus more on this area here and the empty area. We did take off all the doors from the refrigerators, as you guys can see, and that was just for the camera purpose, so we can see what happens in the front side. So they did come with the door, but we took them all out. These were the Black & Decker refrigerators. So let's see what happens. Again, it's a 7.62 by 39 out of an AK47. Okay, so this is the upper area, and this is where the compressor was. I hope I didn't hit the compressor. I didn't want any of the freons to get out. And this is where the empty area was. So I went through the entire first refrigerator. Those are the exits. Entry on the second one. It kind of started slowing down, hitting all the soda. Here's a piece of lead. So we have a little bit of lead over here. That's our third one entering, and here's our exits. So it looks like on the third one, 3 of them came out, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of them tried to come out, but it didn't. On the fourth one, where I hit it on the lower area with no obstacles in the way, all 3 of them were going through, no problem. And all 3 went out. I don't know, I think this was one of them, the exit from the fourth. On the fifth, I'm not sure what happened here, but pretty much 1 and 2 came out. All right, so that was our 5th one. And it looks like out of the 6 bottle of waters I had over here, 1 of them made a hole in this one. There's a piece of fragment in this. Okay, this is the fragment that hit one of the water bottles. It's a piece of lead. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is the one that caused this water bottle to have a hole in it. Where you go? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're jealous? You want audience too? You're already a star. You don't need to be in here. Rigo, stop playing on that camera. Don't you dare pee on the tripod. All right, we got our bullet in this other water bottle. This is one of them that hit the water bottle. So out of all those 10, this is the only one that we could find intact. I'm gonna keep this one too. I'm glad at least I have one. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your friends if you can. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I want to see how ak47 feels every time he shoots these 2-liter sodas. Let's do our version. I got one more in there. All right, I'll see you guys later.